In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find everything you've bought on Wish in one easy to access place. If you've ever wondered about tracking your past purchases or simply want to revisit items you've bought before, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to the Wish website. Typing wish.com into your address bar and pressing enter will take you directly there. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the familiar Wish homepage filled with a plethora of enticing deals and products. However, our focus today is not on shopping for new items, but looking back at your past purchases. As you approach the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you will notice a profile icon. It might appear as a little figure or your profile photo if you've customized it. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will bring up a drop-down menu containing several options related to your account. Within this menu, the option you're looking for is Order History. By selecting this, you will be directed to a comprehensive list of everything you've purchased on Wish. It might take a moment for everything to load, especially if you have a lengthy history of transactions, but this is where you can see all your orders neatly organized. This page provides a look at each item you've ordered, along with the date of purchase, and often a small thumbnail image to jog your memory. It can be quite handy whether you're checking for a specific purchase, verifying a delivered item, or simply reminiscing about things you've bought in the past. If you want more details about a specific order, you can click on it to see item-specific information. This can include shipment tracking details and the option to revisit the product's Wish page. Navigating through this list is straightforward, but if at any point you need to locate a specific item, you can use your browser's search function, usually accessible with Command+F on a Mac or Control+F on a PC, to quickly find the details of a particular purchase by typing keywords related to the item. That's pretty much it. Finding all your purchases on Wish isn't just about self-reflection or satisfying curiosity. It can be incredibly useful if you're organizing receipts, confirming deliveries, or managing returns and exchanges. Now you have all the knowledge to explore your past transactions effortlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Wish experience even smoother. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.